Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well and keeping safe. Today I have bring you the unboxing and complete review of Portronics Toad wireless optical mouse. So I have purchased this in Flipkart Big Billion Day sale offer in 207 rupees. Right now it is available for 319 rupees in Flipkart. So you can see all the specification written here. It is a 2.4 GHz wireless optical mouse with a dongle. It is a plug and play system. It comes with 1 year manufacturing warranty. The product is very lightweight, only 100 gram. So fit and finish is very good. So we need to install one AA battery. This is the dongle. You just need to plug into any USB A port and you are ready to go. So the buttons are very nice and clicky. Auto crawl is also good. So this is the warranty card. You need to register your product on their website to get the warranty. There is a small on off button. You need to on that button after installing the battery. So I purchased a Duracell AA size battery. Just install in right direction. And you need to put on the switch. I forgot to remove the dongle. Again I have to remove. So it works with almost all the operating system like Android, Windows, MacBook. I will show you by connecting with my Realme pad. You need a USB type C to type A adapter and your phone or tablet must be OTG enabled. If we do not use the mouse for some time, it goes into sleep mode for to preserve the battery. Again you need to press any one of the button, then it comes to life. you need to enable the OTG function, and you need a OTG adapter. I am using the MiV USB type C to type A OTG adapter. That video you can see in my video list. So just plug in and you are ready to go. Because the mouse goes into sleep mode, we just need to press any one of the button. As you can see, it working flawlessly. You can also use a wireless keyboard like this. If you do not want to use the mouse for some time, you only need to switch off that small button below the mouse. That can save the battery. Now let me show you how to connect with my laptop. You just plug into any USB type A port, and voila, you are ready to go. As you can see, it working flawlessly. I absolutely love this product. I can definitely recommend this. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Till now, bye bye.